So epilating facial hair, or just really epilating hair anywhere on the body. So what that means is, removing hair. And the most common way to do that is laser hair removal in my offices, which is an amazing procedure. It's a life-changing procedure for many of my patients. The problem that I see most folks run into is when they go to one of these medi spas that's on their corner, or there's not a board-certified dermatologist overseeing the procedure, or a board-certified plastic surgeon overseeing the procedure. The biggest risk with laser hair removal is burning the skin, and that particularly is a risk for folks who have darker skin types. So it's super important to make sure that a board-certified dermatologist or plastic surgeon is overseeing whoever is doing the laser hair removal, making sure the settings are dialed in, because burns can be a challenge. I've seen a bunch of laser treatments gone wrong, and it's always done in one of these medi-spa type settings. So choose your provider wisely, but it is a very effective treatment.